What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I am out here with Corvette Commemorative Edition. We are finally getting to our front license plate filler to finish off this front bumper. As you guys know, we finished up our DRLs here. They look awesome. LED sequentials. They look awesome. We did both of these earlier on in the season. We finished off our ZR6 grills for the front bumper as well, but we did not get to finishing this front bumper inlay here. So we're finally able to get to this today to fill in this. The first thing we're going to do, I'm going to explain all this to you guys first. I won't be able to probably show you guys most of it because I have doing this on my phone here today. A GoPro is in the house. Doing some stuff with my wife's car today, working on it. So I did not bring my GoPro down here today, unfortunately, so sorry for that. I'll explain to you guys everything that I am going to do. I'll do it, and then I'll show you guys the finished product at the end. So first thing we got to do, we cleaned up the area already, so you guys can see some of my white marks here, but don't care. Car's got to get cleaned again before the show on Tuesday. Speaking of which, Corvette night this Tuesday at Solon Commons Car Show, 4 to 8 p.m. If any of you guys can make it, I would greatly appreciate it. Stop me, we'll chit chat, we'll walk around some of the Corvettes. RC5 YouTube channel Corvette will be there. I will be there. Should be a good time. Here we've got everything laid out here. I'm going to be cutting out this center section here and probably this square shape. We're going to leave our license plate screw holes here just in case at some point something happens to this, we don't start to like it anymore and we want to put our front plate back on, or the original factory inlay in here for the front bumper. We can do that as well. So we're going to leave our license plate screw holes here. We're only going to cut out this middle section here. I've got tape to tape it off to make sure we've got a nice, clean, even line. I've got our handy dandy trustworthy Subaru moldable glue just to make sure this thing stays on here with getting all that force and air coming in here that it doesn't fall off on us. Got some stainless steel screws to go in here in these two license plate holes as well to go through the back side of our frame here for this cover. Subaru moldable glue is going to go on the back side here as well. It did come with 3M tape, but I don't fully trust just this one line here. We're going to go moldable glue on the top, that section right there. Same thing on this side. Other than that, got our tools here. I've got this cutting wheel tool that I bought from Harbor Freight, so that we're going to use this to cut out that rectangle square shape right there. Got our Subaru moldable glue ready, our stainless steel screws ready, some extra gasket maker silicone in case we need that. Don't think we will since we got our Subaru moldable glue, but there just in case. Gonna tape off this section here so we got straight lines here as well. Some extra adhesive if I needed it, just extra tools, plate covers ready to go. So I'm going to do this off camera, guys, and then bring you guys back in when I'm finished. Sorry I don't have my GoPro with me to set up on the tripod to film it at either the left or right angle for you guys, so I apologize about that. Alright guys, we are all taped off and ready to go here. So this entire section right here is coming out. Got our cutoff tool with the grinder wheel on it, or cutoff wheel, excuse me, on it, ready to go. Alright, we just got done cutting out this center section here. Now we got a big hole in the bumper here. There's that piece that came out. This thing did a nice job. Did have to charge it midway through because I didn't charge it before using it straight out of the box. I should have charged it fully up, but I didn't. So now just going to clean up some of these edges, take the tape off, and then we are ready for our inlay. Okay, we're done. Almost forgot to show you guys the finished product. Put the cover back on and then was about to close the garage and they were like, oh, I gotta show these guys the finished product. So we finally got this thing done. Took about a half an hour for me to get everything situated, excuse me, how I wanted it. But it came out nice. It's nice and flush. Looks good. Obviously anybody would love it powder coated and color matched, but I don't think it looks terrible. With it being that matte black color. Finally finishes off this front bumper here. We did our sequential DRLs and our Z06 screens, and then now we just finished it off with our screen for the bumper, and it looks really good. So thank you guys for watching, appreciate it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Remember, join us this Tuesday, August 6th, 4 to 8 p.m. Stolen Commons Car Show, Corvette Night.